are the part two. We are not ready yet. So blending the magic blusher, it's not easy because my looks as a girl na. And I also never forgot to add some teeth powder. I was always using powder for your I'm going to get blush again because I love blush. We have powder, okay, don't you worry to my blush. So please don't worry with my blush. So we mostly need to be in this to really chill. My tiny brush while you can blend some these like this. And now I'm going to add some powder because I will never forgot to add some powder. Yes, I will never forget about powder. Kasi kapag nakalimutan ko itong powder, wala na, wala ka na. Ma! I don't know what my mother doing. Go away. And then with my lips, I will use cherry only.
Suka na kasi?
Nagsuka siya, te.
Ika lang.
And this